Good morning from Rausch Creek, Pennsylvania. Technically, it's Rausch Creek Off-Road Park here in Pennsylvania. We're up here in the Coal Hills, but it's a nice, cool, crisp morning, late summer, and we're here today with a little bit of a mission. So, what you guys don't know is, or maybe some of you know, my Jeep kind of has a little bit of an oil pressure problem, and when she gets hot, it likes to thin out. So, in the background, I went ahead and swapped out the O-ring on the oil pump pickup tube, replaced the cam seal plate there on the very front of the motor in hopes that we can get this thing to hold pressure when it gets hot. Now, another thing I swapped out was we switched to VR1 2050 race oil. Basically, this is going to be a band-aid just to get us to Trail Hero. What we're going to find out today is if it still gets hot, I think we're going to have to pull the motor, slap bearings in it, and try to get it back together before Trail Hero. Today's going to be pretty fun. Like I said, we're at Rausch. I'm here with my buddy Mayday, and I guess we're meeting up with Becca, who is Yeller Life on Instagram, and Kate, who is that super dope two-door green JK Psycho Cupcake, I believe is the name, but we'll go ahead and link it right here. So we're going wheeling with them. It's going to be a good day. Let's hope that we can keep some oil pressure, and I'll keep you guys updated as we move along.
Nothing, just dirt.
giveaway update. Obviously, you guys just saw my Jeep kind of catch on fire a little bit. It was quick, and luckily for my friends Mayday and Nick, we were able to go ahead, get that fire out extremely quick. It's one of my biggest fears is losing my Jeep to fire, because generally it's a total loss, but fire put out super quick. What happened was the power steering fluid basically spilled out of the top, got down onto the header wrap, and pretty much ignited right away. So thanks to those guys, got the fire put out super fast. Overall though, super awesome day. Oil pressure doing great, sitting at like 38 at idle right now, which is way better than it used to be. And if you give it throttle, it still builds pressure. Trans temps seem pretty happy, so I have my fingers still crossed that the remainder of the day is going to keep going good, but it's no longer nice and cool and brisk. It's starting to get hot. You can probably tell I'm sweating. That's why I'm hiding in the shade. But overall, great morning. We're going to keep on wheeling, and I will update you guys at the end of this video how the Jeep did, or maybe my Jeep will catch on fire again. So let's keep wheeling.
Exactly.
All right, so we just went ahead and, yeah, influencer life, sorry. We just went ahead and split off with the rest of the people, Becca and Kate and their significant others. But that was a lot of fun. But now me and Mayday, we're gonna go hit some bucket list trails, or at least they're obstacles. So right now we're at Jotters, and we're gonna go ahead, give that a try, and then probably work our way over to like Trail 5 and some of the other big obstacles here at Rausch Creek. So let's go ahead and hit them. that's how it's done, boys. We went ahead and got trail 5 knocked out, jotters knocked out, and I think we're gonna try to run over shoot the moon here before the end of the day. So congrats to Mayday, this is fun. So Ryan lost a belt there and lost steering, but we were able to get it popped back on, and obviously he's up the trail now. It's getting late in the afternoon, so I think I'm taking the easy side here, and we'll just pop back up on the trail, head back to the truck. So let's go. All right, completely forgot to film an outro. We were dirty, we were tired, and I got home and I was like, never did that. So update and outro of this video. Today we wheeled at Rausch Creek, had a blast, hung out with Kate, Becca, their husbands, and my buddy Ryan. Totally would wheel with those dudes again, or chicks and dudes again. It was just a good time, great company. It was fun wheeling with them. So we'll be doing that again in the future. The Jeep did awesome. 35 PSI was the lowest I saw it all day. Might have hit 33 one time, but overall, that's a victory between the oil pump, O-ring for the pickup tube, that cam plate, and this Valvoline VR1 2050 Magic in a Bottle. I think we have it sorted enough that we can take this Jeep out west to trail Hero. Before I go, there's 2 projects I want to do. I'll make sure to bring you guys along for that ride. At least one of them. One of them's fab, and I know you guys like watching that. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this upload. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and consider hitting that button right there. Leave a like, drop a comment, and we will see you guys on the next upload coming soon. Later.